forever alone. Grrr, thunder, lightning, and stuff. Daddy, I'm scared.
It's starting to rain and ice and snow. Can we go inside already? Mario, didn't you say you were invited?
Yeah, we all were.
And so what are we doing out here?
We are inside. Are you guys like, seriously that stupid? Are you actually that freaking stupid?
The glass roof kind of made me slip up. Sorry.
Welcome to my home.
Yeah, thanks for letting us stay here. The castle kind of got fish fricked by the ice and snow and stuff.
You mean it flooded?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty brutal storm out there. Snowstorm.
Yeah. So, this is my family.
Yeah! I was supposed to do pranks all day. And I was getting called before my phone. Yeah, I have a pretty crazy family.
By the way, kids.
We do too. Hey, get off me.
Hey, kids. I heard that your mom is gonna be coming. She should be here any minute. Oh, there she is. Ah! No, she fell off a cliff.
No, Mama! Oh, crud!
Right up here, top. I'm back. I mean, hey, Dad. I'm gonna go build that Lego set that I got for Christmas. Stop ripping off Super Mario Richie, son.
Meanwhile, outside. Suddenly, all the lights went out.
We can still see, kinda, because of stupid Disney Channel. Ew, Disney Channel, that's cancer. Ew, Disney Channel, that's feminism.
Ew, Disney Channel's cancer. Well, what are we gonna do now?
Hey guys, I finished that Lego set. Whoa, you finished that in like 2 minutes. Yeah, I know. Too bad you can't see it because of the stupid no lights.
Can you like stop with the flashing colors? Like seriously, man. Like, come on. Let's party, Dad.
The Wi-Fi's gone, so that means I can't text my boyfriend on my phone.
Okay then. Well, let's party.
It's not even that broken. See, look. All I have to do.
I'm under the bed.
Iggy, I fixed it. All you had to do was put the wing back on.
You shouldn't have done that, Buster. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. He's gonna blow.
Hide the Lego! Son!
I didn't. Why did you do that? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill.
Mario, give your son. Why would you do this to our ears?
Can I kill Iggy? Can I kill Iggy?
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna knock you under the bed. He's under the bed now.
Yay.
Well, the end. Da 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 da. だだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだだ Iggy Koopa.
So creepy.
Okay, I'll stop.
I am Iggy Koopa.